Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to create Facebook page for Amazon Affiliate Marketing 2024. So first and foremost is we have to log in to our account and then switch to our Facebook page. Okay, so as you can see, this is now my Facebook page. And then on the other tab, on the other web browser, I have here my Amazon account. So as you can see over here, I have this Amazon site Stripe. So in order for you to get this feature in Amazon, we have to log in first to our Amazon account and then sign up for an Amazon affiliate account. Okay, so as you can see, I already logged in to my Amazon account. And then once you're here, just have to open a new tab. Okay, so right here, just open a new tab and then you just have to search for Amazon affiliate. Okay, that's right. And then you just have to click on enter and you'd be able to see this first website. So all you have to do now is to simply click on this website and you'd be directed to this page. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. And of course, before you can have your Amazon Associate account, you have to follow the very simple steps. And then after filling out your information, you just have to go back to Amazon. Okay, and then you'll be able to get this Amazon Associates site Stripe. Okay, so we are going to use that later on. And then since we already have our account, all we have to do now is to look for the product that we are going to promote on our Facebook page. Okay, so for example, right here for today's deals, I am going to choose this product. Okay, so let me just go to this category and then right here just have to look for the product that you want to promote. For example, this one. Okay, so when you open this product, you'd be able to see this the different colors of this product. So all you have to do is to simply download the relevant images of this product, and if you would like to download all of the images, all of the colors of this product, then you can do that as well. But for this video, I'm just going to download three different colors for this one. Okay, so this color and then this one too. Okay, so to download the image, then just have to right click and then save the image to your folder. Okay, and then click on save. So after downloading all of the relevant images of this product, we just have to go back to our Facebook page and then right here. Okay, so right here we just have to let me just load the page once again and then click on this option, what's on your mind, and click on the image icon, and then you just have to add or drag here the images or videos that you want to upload. So I'm just going to upload here the images that we have downloaded from Amazon. Okay, so let me just click on this one and click on open. So after that, as you can see, we already have here now our images. So since the images that we have used are from Amazon, okay, so it is very important that we have to put a disclaimer. Okay, so for example, disclaimer, okay, so this product, okay, so this product is originally from Amazon. So if you would like to get this product or buy this product and deliver right to your door, then you just have to click on this link. Okay, so the purpose of putting a disclaimer to your Facebook post and your Facebook page is that you're following the rules in the terms and conditions of Facebook and Amazon. Okay, so that Amazon will not going to block your account and you are going to get your commission. So that is the reason why we have to put a disclaimer. Okay, so I'm writing right here. This product is originally from Amazon. So if you want to get this product and deliver right to your door, please click the link. So where can we get the link? So let's go back to Amazon. And then here, this is the purpose of the Amazon Associates site Stripe. Okay, so you can share this link to your Facebook or simply click on the get link text. So right here we have the short link and the full link. So for this one, of course, we are going to use the short link. So just click on copy and then go back to your Facebook page post. Okay, so just have to paste here the link for this product. Okay, and then of course, do not forget the name of this product. So let's go back to Amazon. Okay, then you just have to copy the name of this product. And if you would like to include the description of this product, then you can do that as well. But for this one, I'm just going to paste here the name of this product. And then after that, you just have to click on post. Then just wait for a couple of seconds. Then after that, your images or this product will be uploaded to your Facebook page. Okay, so as you can see, we have the disclaimer, the name of the product, and of course the link of the product. So if you were to ask why we have to sign up for an Amazon affiliate account, is that link is the one that we're going to give us our commission. Okay, so since the Amazon site Stripe is our account, so when someone click on the link that we have provided using our site Stripe, then they'd be directed to that website, and when they purchase this product, we would be able to get or receive our commission. Okay, so you just have to take note that it is very important to put a disclaimer so that Amazon will not going to block our account. So let me just check once again. So let me just go back to my Facebook post. So as you can see over here, we have a very clear disclaimer. And then if you don't know how to make a disclaimer, then you can use different online tools to create a disclaimer for your next post or for future post. Okay, so you can use ChatGPT or Google Gemini for that one. Okay, so for example, you would like to upload a new product again. You just have to repeat the process. You have to look for a product that you want to purchase. So we have lots of categories here on Amazon. Then you just have to choose the specific category for your Facebook post. And then after that, you just have to get the images of the product. And if you would like to include a video, you can do that as well. And of course, the name description of the product. So you have to be specific. And if you would like to include the price of the product in your Facebook page post, of course, you can do that as well to be more transparent to your customers. But of course, we should not forget to put a disclaimer. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.